Hey friends, and happy Saturday. Thank you so much for joining me for another live walkthrough tour of my newest listing. This one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa with 1-car garage and a screened sunroom. And this is in Lake Worth, Florida. We're in West Lake Worth. So we're right in the heart of everything. It's super close to lots of shopping and restaurants, multiple grocery stores. It's also walking distance to Park Vista High School, which is an A-rated school. It's also walking distance to McAuliffe Middle School, also an A-rated school, and also very close to Manatee Elementary School, also A-rated. So we are in an excellent area for people with children who are of school age. It's also, it's an all ages community. There's a very friendly neighborhood set here. It's also a pet friendly neighborhood. So you'll certainly see people out walking their dogs, people have their cats, and there's no restrictions on that. So this is definitely a great place for people to be able to come and enjoy the Florida lifestyle with their family and their pets and just take it all in. So I'm really excited to give you a tour. I'm going to turn the camera around and walk you through this whole little unit so you can check it out for yourself. So one of the main features of this neighborhood, besides being pet friendly and also people friendly, it's set on this beautiful lake, and they allow boating for non-motorized boats. You can take your kayak out. In fact, a lot of neighbors have their own kayaks in their backyard. They take them out onto the lake, and so that's really neat. That's not that typical here in Florida. Actually, you don't always see that. So that's really neat. Another thing is they have a low HOA, and that is very valuable these days. So it's only $286 per month, which is actually very, very low in our area. And that includes lawn maintenance. They'll come out and mow the lawn. It also includes cable and internet, so that's very valuable. And then they take care of the community pool, and they have a little tot lot and some picnic areas. It's just a beautiful neighborhood with a lot of green space. There's a lot to like here. And this villa in particular has a lot to like. It's has updated floors. So the flooring here is wood look tile. It's all kind of that gray. So you can really match a lot of different furniture and styles and your own personal style to that. It has beautiful new paint. The bathrooms have been all updated. It's really neat. They also have some really chic lighting fixtures like that one up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. Let's get to a good spot to begin our tour. So I'm gonna back up, and the first thing we'll probably wanna see is if you are walking in the front door. So here we go. Thank you again for joining me. I'm Courtney Klein. I'm here with my other half of Klein Team Palm Beach. That's David. We're at an open house here today at this beautiful villa, and we're so lucky to be here, and thank you for joining us. So here we go. All right, so this is the view when you first walk in the front door. You've got your big open concept living space. You have what could be kind of a formal dining area here, but they have it a little more casual. This has vaulted ceilings, so it really makes the space feel a lot larger than just the 1,283 square feet under air that it has. Now it does have a 1-car garage, so overall the home is 1,701 square feet. And it also has the screened patio, which is not included in that square feet for the under air living space. So it's actually just very spacious, and it feels like it. Now we have that wood look tile all throughout the house, so no carpet, nothing like that you have to worry about. Let's go take a quick look at the sunroom. So this is a screened patio. I have got a little portable AC on, so it's a little loud, but it's nice to know you do have this green space. We'll go take a quick peek outside. So you've got this big backyard area. Again, pet friendly. All right, we're gonna go back through the sliders and into this beautiful villa. All right. So nice big windows, lots of light coming in. We have the chic lighting fixtures. And let's go ahead and take a look at the primary bedroom. We have a nice closet here, Nest thermostat. And then this primary bedroom is very spacious, also with the vaulted ceilings, so it feels even larger than it really is. And again, they have it all just in a beautiful, modern, neutral gray. So it's ready for your personal touches. You don't have to really do anything but bring in your furniture and it's gonna go perfectly in here. Let's take a look at the beautifully renovated primary bathroom. It has automatic lights, so when we step in, there we go. It has this big, gorgeous vanity with this quartz, I believe, countertop, double sink, so that's really nice. This new modern kind of farmhouse style mirror and lights. And then over here, you've got your commode, and then they also have a big step-in shower. We'll just take a quick look at that. So that's kind of nice. It's really spacious. Nice and clean, nice clean tiles. All right, so that's our primary bathroom, beautifully renovated and ready for you to move in. And again, we're looking at the primary bathroom here. Bedroom. There's a walk-in closet. We'll just take a quick peek. It's just a closet, so it's not that exciting, but just so you can see that there is a nice big spacious area for all of your clothes and your stuff. Let's go back out here to our big open living space. Looking out onto the screened sunroom. Some people also call it a lanai or a Florida room. There's a lot of different fancy names for it. All right, so we are at 6508 Marissa Circle. If anyone's in the area and you want to stop by, we have the makings of mimosas, sparkling water, and also a pot of coffee on. So come join us. All right, let's check out the second bedroom and bathroom. Again, we have the automatic lights, so we'll come on in here, get those to pop on for us. So they have that exact same style of vanity with the quartz countertops. Same lighting fixtures and mirror, just smaller here in the second or guest bathroom. And they also have a shower tub combo here. It's in great shape. This house was built in 1989, but it definitely seems younger than that. It's in great shape. It's been really well cared for. So here's the second bedroom. There is a window over here letting in some light. And again, vaulted ceilings. And they've turned the closet into a little desk nook, but you could easily put a door on there and just make it a traditional closet. Now let's go out and take a quick look at the kitchen. So we've got this little window through here that leads out into this open concept space. Here's the front door. So when you first walk in, there's the kitchen to your left and the living space right in front of you. So the kitchen has all the updated flooring, wood look tile floors, but it is ready for your personal touch as far as renovations go. I think you could certainly be happy and just move right in, but I think most people will probably be inclined to want to update the cabinetry and the countertops and just make it a little more modern. You could also just paint it. Back here, we do have a full-size washer and dryer. Just give you a quick little peek there. Nice new high-efficiency washer and dryer. It's nice to have that full closet. And we have the eat-in kitchen space, so that's really nice right here in the light. Big windows, bright open space for your breakfast or lunch or cocktail hour. So here is our kitchen. Lots of cabinet space, and it's actually very spacious and ready for your ideas. Now let's go out and take a quick look at the front of the house so you can see what this villa looks like. Hopefully I don't lose connection. I'm not on Wi-Fi here, but we're gonna take a quick look. So there's a little alcove when you first walk in that's screened, so you don't have to worry about bugs coming in. That's the door to the garage. we'll take a quick peek. You know, garages, they're not that exciting, but it's nice to know that you have them because not everybody is lucky enough to have a garage. So when you have it, just 3 cheers for all of your stuff and your car, if you can fit it in there, which they did. Good homeowners. All right, another big feature of this house is there's a complete accordion shutters throughout. So it's super easy if a hurricane comes. You just close these up, just slide them together and lock them. Easy peasy. All right, front of the house. They put out some nice new landscaping, really cute flowers and this new little palm tree here. So we are in the villa section of Northtree in West Lake Worth. There's our 1-car garage, 6508 Marissa Circle. And I'm just gonna take a step back a little bit so you can get the full picture of this adorable villa in an all ages community right across the street from the water. And actually from inside the house, there's the lake over there. You can see the water from inside the kitchen, which is really nice. So the neighbors here are very friendly. It's also pet friendly and just a nice relaxed place to come be a part of the Florida lifestyle. It's excellent. This would be perfect for somebody who's looking to downsize or perfect for a small family. Really anybody could be happy here in West Lake Worth in this adorable neighborhood of Northtree. All right, we are back inside. I'm gonna take you back to where we started and just recap what we have seen. And this is a big couch and there's still plenty of space in this villa. So, all right, thank you so much for taking that tour with me. I hope that was enlightening for you. Again, we are in Northtree, which is in West Lake Worth. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa, asking $395,000. There's a 1-car garage, complete accordion hurricane shutters, so very easy to get prepared for a hurricane if you so needed to. LOW HOA that provides cable and internet and lawn care. There's a really nice community pool that's along the waterfront, and a little tot lot, and a whole biking, walking trail. And again, you can go out onto the lake with your own kayak. So this is a fabulous neighborhood for anybody who's looking to have a little slice of Florida sunshine at an affordable price. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message, or you can always reach out to me by email or phone. And that is on here on Facebook. You can see that. And I hope you have a beautiful Saturday. Thank you so much for joining. Take care.